There you go. Song of the day. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Alright, so I know you can't see me very well. How's that? I'm standing in the shade because it's muggy, 76 degrees. I know that doesn't sound hot to some of you, but it is up here to us in the north. So today, August 3rd, as you can see, not a whole lot of storm damage going on up there in that big blue sky. And then there's me right here. So I am out here to pick some blackberries. I'll flip the camera around for you here, if I remember how to do it. I forgot my mic. So they are starting to come in. I'm gonna go through here and pick the easy ones. So like this one right here. It's not gonna focus for me. It's still not gonna focus for me. Come on, focus on this one. All right, so. But anyways, let me see if I can zoom it on them. Maybe I can zoom up on them and they'll stay focused. Yeah, there we go. So that's better. So as you can see, this makes it a little harder to move them around. They are here, there, and everywhere. But if we get too far back in there, like there, and then in here, they're sparse. They're starting to come in. There's a lot. This is just one patch down along the edge of the trail I came in on here. Let me get this back out here to where we were here. So that's the trail I came in on. I'm actually on my neighbor's property right now. And I have her little gator with air conditioning because it's muggy out here. So I don't know what you can see over here. So the other side of, say, those pines there and that tree, so is my property. I have these on my property also. So I am going to go through. I've already done this a couple times, and just pick what's easy, because you can get pretty bloody doing this, and it ain't any fun. You grab hold of them, they grab hold of you. But let's go back there and get started. So this is where I'm at right here. So far everything has thorns, if you didn't know. You can see the thorns here. Even the bottom of the leaves have thorns on them. So every time you touch something in here, it grabs a hold of you. And then you kind of look like that. or that. So I'm trying not to bleed to death out here. I'm trying to just pick the easy stuff. As you can see, not everything is ripe. This is kind of like in stages here. So I kind of meandered through here, but you know, like there's a bunch here that I didn't get yet. I'm not sure I'm going to go in there to get them. I got a pokey in the bottom of my thumb, right in here. It's driving me nuts. I can feel it. I've just done this section right here that we're in. There's a section here, all this, and then there's a section there. This is all on my property still. Now over there, right there, is my neighbor's property, and there's some in here. Now the trees I was talking about, that's them, and we're coming this way. So back over there on her way in, there's a bunch. Over there, there's a bunch. It's just everywhere. So we intend to make blackberry jelly or jam. I've never done this before, so it's a first for me. I was informed that I need a lot. I've got almost a gallon bag full of these. I just keep freezing them as I'm getting them. And then, so it'll be a few trips of me coming out here like this, and that you guys won't see. And then, you know, of course, we're gonna go right into trying to make some of this stuff. My first time, I guess. But anyways, let me get to picking, and I'll show you where I'm at when I get done. So it's now noon. I am dripping wet. I don't know if you can see it or not. I didn't do too bad. I got a little bit of combat berry picking going on. So we ended up with this much. I'm going to take a break for a while, maybe come back out when it starts cooling off tonight. We got quite a bit in here, so it's a lot. I mean, it's not a lot, but yeah. So it's a lot. Alright, so I think we're going to drive back to the house here and see what else I can find to do. I'm going to take you in the rest of the tour of what's going on in the garden. How's that? So we'll time lapse a trip from here. Oh yeah, so here you guys are. So you guys are sitting here next to me. The GoPro. Turn the GoPro on. And we will hit record. Alright, let's go for a ride. And we're moving. Yeah, okay, so it's been a couple weeks. They are a bit fluffier, and as you can see, I have them out and about. I'm not sure if I had this done last time or not. This rooster, I don't know if he was in here or not either, kind of got his butt kicked over there, so he's been over here with them, and he's afraid of these little ones. The only ones he hangs out with are these over here in the corner. These 5 anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But yeah, soon, because these things stink. They're awful. They stink. But soon, they're getting big. Like this guy here's. They're gonna get so big that the weight will break their legs just from the weight. I don't have any new eggs yet. So I got 8 eggs, 5 eggs. That's what I got. But the roosters were fighting over the hens. The old hens. No, the new hens. The new hens. So the new hens are coming in. I did go fishing. So as you can see, there's a fish carcass down there. The chickens are eating it. They pretty much ripped that one all apart. So I got a couple largemouth. And you can see they're picking at everything in there. They'll strip it clean. They've done a pretty good job on that one after I filleted it. So there's one of the new hens, and see he's over there. See him? He's gonna go in the stock pot soon. We can't have that. This is our only rooster. So he was supposed to be a hen. He should have been a hen. But as you can see, so these 4 here are the ones that he's familiar with, and he's just trying to violate them rudely. So tomatoes are starting to ripen in here on the vine, and you see them there. And there's quite a few starting over here. Everything's coming in, so I'm going to be doing some tomato sauce soon. As you can see, let me go back over here. It has, well, these varieties have gone over the top, which is fine. It doesn't matter. Like I didn't know if these ones were San Marzunos or not. They appear to be. So, I mean, they've got tomatoes on them, and they appear to be San Marzunos. It's just a short version of them, I guess. Green beans, I have canned, 70 pints of green beans, and as you can see, I need to do it again here. Peppers are coming back. I still have the little monsters on there. They're just not as damaging out here. So you can see I got some jalapenos going there. Cucumbers, well, they're kind of, look at that. I got one. Look how short they are. Oh, there might be another one over there. Look how short, nothing grew. I don't understand what I did wrong. I don't know what's growing in my potatoes right here, but we'll find out. And there's another one back there. I lost my garlic in there somewhere. I couldn't keep up with them. It's still in there, but I just couldn't keep up with it. My potato project is coming to an end here. It's not completely dead yet, but it's working on it. So we'll dig this up and see what we get. I don't think that burying those grew any potatoes in that. I could be wrong, but I don't think it did anything other than hold up the greens. But we'll see. Wow, is it hot out here? Now, there are a couple pumpkins in here. So pumpkins, yeah. There's a big in there. There's another one, in there. That's a pretty decent sized one there. I saw another one somewhere. I don't remember where it was. Over there, I think. So there's at least 3 in here. Anyways, maybe 4. I don't know. I'm looking. I don't see it. I thought there was one right here. Well, I swear there was 3. Okay, so there's one there. Oh, I kicked it. There it is. There's one right there. So right there's one. I thought there was 3 of them. It's weird, I only got 3. No rain makes a big difference on things. So that was my day, and I'm all pooped on it. The water hasn't gotten warm yet, but I need to wash all the wounds off. So it didn't end up too bad, I guess. Just get that washed off of there, though. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Blood, sweat, and tears I got going into this for you guys. Look at that. Hey, there's warm water. Hey. Now it's hot. Now it's too hot. So, alright. We are going to soak these and see if there's any bugs in them. They haven't been too bad. So, I'm going to leave you with, I'll leave you with this. Hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.